Thunderstorms have developed downstate ahead of the cold front and downwind of the outflow boundary that was formed from the activity from earlier this morning that came through Indianapolis Metro. We even had a damaging MCS, caused some wind damage on the north side of Indy and points around there. Storm system collapsed pretty quickly as it reeled us up, but now ahead of the cold front and ahead of kind of the outflow of that boundary, we have some storms that are forming downstate here and over toward the Cincinnati area. Basically, areas south of there, you can see the storms forming there. We even have a couple forming up here near a little bit closer to the trough, a little shortwave trough up here, northwest Ohio, northeast Indiana, but those remain subsevere. Now, this area down here and over into Illinois, over into southern Ohio are all under a severe thunderstorm watch ahead of this activity for damaging winds, some large hail possible, and perhaps even a tornado or two, as there is some turning with height. Check this boy out though over in Illinois. This is a supercell thunderstorm over there. You can actually, even from Louisville's radar, look at the anvil on this, and that's the actual anvil of the storm. If you were looking at this in the field, you could see. If you use near Vincennes or something, you could see the anvil of the storm. It's a massive storm. Matter of fact, it is where the atmosphere is the most unstable right now. And right there, let me get a look. Let me go to the Evansville radar. Okay, there's the Evansville radar. And those little orange, yellow dots there are anywhere from 55 to almost 60,000 feet tall. So this is a big storm. This is a big storm. It's capable mainly wind damage and large hail right now. It does appear that it's growing upscale with time and will become kind of form an MCS with time. If you really want to see the anvil of this thing, a couple things. Look at there from the North Webster side. You can definitely see the anvil here in this green area right here. So massive storm. Looks even better on the visible satellite. Your southern Indiana, you can see the little bumps there. Those are the thunderstorms developing. Look over here, and you can see this is a supercell because right there on the last frame, you see those little bumps right in the middle. Those are the overshooting tops of that thunderstorm, which means it has a sustained area of rotation in it, and that is what makes a supercell a supercell. So these storms will continue through the course of the evening into the overnight. Some severe weather will be possible with these storms. I think the best chance of severe weather will be the activity associated with this cluster right here in this embedded supercell. We did have a tornado warning in Ohio earlier, and it was basically where this storm is at now, but that has since expired. Yeah, I think it was that storm right there. But, yeah, there's still actually a hook on it. Get here, and it's still rotating even. So, but that storm had a tornado warning for a little while. Might get tornado warned again if that rotation picks up. And we may see brief chances of some spin-ups tonight, but I'm not expecting a major tornado outbreak or anything. And so with the updated radar here, you can actually see the upper-level winds screaming across these storms. The updrafts are still fairly weak, so they're having a little trouble staying organized, and these upper level winds are kind of blasting. Matter of fact, if you play the loop here, if you look carefully through the radar, you can kind of see the streamers coming off these storms where the cloud deck is pushing them onto the south. But nevertheless, I say the best chance for severe weather overall will probably be with this cluster right here. If these can get more organized toward the Cincinnati area, maybe. But as for Indy Metro, looks like we got the worst of it this morning.